In a desperate attempt to strengthen its online propaganda, the ZANU-PF cyber team known as Varakashi for ED is announced a reshuffle committee. Sana pana mashoko atinoona kuti Varakashi panguva ino wanaunza a new committee. Patiri kuona kuti aiwa masympathizers aVP Chiwenga aiwa wachifaiwa nodibwa subscribe like watombe bell like kuti mnamwambodani kwa mchinzi. This reshuffling comes amid a peak in internal fighting within the ruling party. ZANU-PF insiders suggest that the restructuring is designed to push out individuals perceived to be sympathetic to VP Chiwenga. The new committee was unveiled on Friday. Varakashi for ED, Zim Cyber Team, 7 February 2025. The following recent restructuring, the Varakashi for ED National Executive Committee, now includes the following members. Panyora wakaside the chairman are Comrade Jones Musara, Pamchite Awanema Vice, ne the board race Ramurkuna is showed on the screen. Vanendrambiro Chiti, as Varakashi for ED will remain firmly committed to defending, promoting, and amplifying the work of President E.T. Mnangagwa, ZANU-PF, and Zimbabwe. We unapologetically support the President's policies and programs. #ETWorks, as well as the resolutions of the ruling party ZANU-PF, particularly resolution number 1, because #delivers. Domashkwa tona panguwa ino wakomana, they have restructured. Panguwa ino tiona kuti wakomana after the restructuring. Apana kana any sympathizer, kana any ally or general anonekwa pa list. Vese wakomana they've been sidelined. Just because they know kuti wakomana awa ndo wanokonzeresa toppling yao aiwa nekupa pachigaro. Tudze mafunguro imoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vena comment section menu, so subscribe or like, so turn the bell icon.